Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quit or exit the Hearthstone game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, when you are playing the Hearthstone game on your PC, you might notice that there is no particular exit button. You can find the packs as well as My Collection menu and shops along with Journal, where all of your achievements and your rewards can be tracked and their progress can be measured as well. If you click on any of the game modes and check within, then you will still not find any exit or quit button. So if you wish to quit the game from your PC without losing your progress or by pressing the Alt F4 button, then simply click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and now you will find the quit button right here. Go ahead and click on it and now this will exit and quit the Hearthstone game on your PC right away. You might now see the Battle.net application. If you wish to reopen the game, you can click on the play button and you can also change the game version by clicking on the drop-down menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to exit or quit the Hearthstone game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.